Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. Today we are exploring Speedmeter, GPS Speedmeter app, a smart tool that helps you measure your vehicle live speed using GPS. It works for bikes, cars, and even running or cycling activities. You can see real-time speed, distance, and average speed on a clean dashboard. By using this application, this app also gives you a warning if you exceed a speed limit. Perfect for safe driving. If you want to do safe driving, then this application is perfect for you. It's a lightweight, accurate, and works even offline once GPS is locked. If you travel or drive a lot, this app is super handy to monitor your performance. Just go to Google Play Store and search Speedmeter GPS Speedmeter and download this application, which have 14 MB size and already have the 10 million downloads. I hope the short tutorial and overview is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.